Appliances and actions. Efficient kitchen operations rely on well-maintained appliances and proper ingredient preparation. This guide covers equipment updates, key food prep techniques, and a systematic baking process to enhance workflow and consistency in the kitchen.
Appliances.
2. t.thomas@rivercafe.net. From L.Halverson@rivercafe.net. RE Equipment Report. Hi Terry, here's the equipment report you requested. Repairs, replacements. The toaster is only heating on one side. Also, the mixer is broken. We tried the food processor to mix ingredients, but it doesn't work for everything. New equipment. We could use a second heat lamp. Plates get cold when we're busy. Also, I think our kitchen needs a deep fryer and a pressure cooker. This will expand our hot dish menu. No changes needed. Our old microwave and ice maker are still running smoothly. Also, the new blender mixes drinks much faster than the old one. The scale measurements are still perfectly accurate.
Basic Actions 1.
Section 4.2, Preparing Ingredients. As a cook's helper, you will prepare ingredients. This allows the chef to focus on cooking, but different meals require different preparation methods. Chop or mince an ingredient if you just need irregular pieces. You can grate some ingredients for small, irregular strips. If the chef tells you to dice it, cut uniform pieces instead. Some ingredients need excess material separated. Sift flour, sugar, and other powders to filter out chunks. For boiled ingredients, drain or pour liquid out before using. The chef will sometimes ask you to combine ingredients. Toss them for a loose mixture. For a smooth mixture, blend them instead.
Basic Actions 2.
Dessert, dessert, dessert. Chewy chocolate chip cookies. Baking directions. 1. Heat the oven to 350 degrees. 2. Stir the dry ingredients together and set the mixture aside. 3. Beat the eggs and butter until smooth. Then let the baking soda dissolve in hot water and add it to the mixture. Combine the wet and dry mixtures. 4. Use butter or vegetable oil to grease the sheet pan. Then drop 1-inch balls of dough onto the pan, 2 to 3 inches apart. 5. Bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes before you serve.